What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to allow the Vulcan mobile preview for your Android project in Unreal Engine 5. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. After launching Unreal Engine, navigate to Edit and select Editor Preferences. On this window, select Experimental in your General Settings tab. Under PIE, you have the option to enable the Allow Vulcan Mobile Preview option. Vulcan Graphics API is often used for Android-based mobile projects. In short, it's a low-overhead, cross-platform 3D graphics library that gives the developers more control over the GPU and lower-level CPU usage. To make sure that you can visualize the rendering options Vulcan has available on your development PC, you will need to make sure to download and install the latest version of video card drivers to your graphics card. I suggest using the GeForce Experience application if you're using an NVIDIA GPU, but you can also use the AMD driver suite. In the Drivers tab, simply click on Download and the application will automatically download and install the latest driver. In case you wish to learn more about the graphics renderer, then make sure to follow the guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out, leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.